Welcome to BTT Legal News. I'm your host Panita. Today we are covering the latest legislative legal changes. Let's see how these updates impact the legal landscape. Major bail reforms for accused serious domestic violence offenders in New South Wales. The New South Wales government has announced drastic changes to the state's bail laws following the alleged murder of Molly Ticehurst. Last month, the main changes focuses on the reversal of the presumption of bail for those accused of being serious domestic violence. South Australia introduces tough new laws for repeat domestic violence offenders. South Australian repeat domestic violence offenders will face some of the toughest laws in the country after laws passed the state's parliament last night. Offenders who break intervention orders and are given bail will be forced to wear an electronic monitor and abide by strict home detention orders. The laws aim to better protect survivors of domestic and family violence. Migration in the budget, employer and skilled workers impacts. The permanent migration program planning level for 2024 to 25 has been set at 185,000 places, with over 70% of this allocated to the skill stream. The skill stream includes both employer and sponsored and independent skill permanent visas. Additionally, the temporary skills shortage subclass 482 visa requirement for applicants to hold 2 years of full-time relevant work experience before being sponsored by an employer for a skilled role will be reduced from 2 years to 1 year from 23 November 2024. Italian Prime Minister seeks symbolic compensation from suspects over deepfake porn images. Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni has been asked to testify in court on July 2nd in the trial of two men accused of making deepfake pornographic images using her face and posting them online. Meloni, listed as an injured party in the trial in Sassari in Sardinia, is seeking 100,000 euros and 166,000 in symbolic damages and will donate any award to an Interior Ministry fund for women victims of domestic violence. Her lawyer Maria said the crime in question is particularly odious as it allegedly involves the uploading of fabricated pornographic images that could affect any unsuspecting woman with damaging consequences of her reputation and private life. A New York court on Tuesday rejected former President Donald Trump's bid to lift the gag order, limiting what he can say about those involved in his ongoing criminal trial, saying the order does not violate Trump's First Amendment rights. Gag orders are issued by a court, government, a private entity, or require an individual to refrain from making public comments. Typically, judges issue injunctions barring trial participants, or including attorneys, litigants, and witnesses, or from discussing trial-related material outside the courtroom. Judge Mercer has held Trump in contempt of court for violating the order 10 times. Last week, he warned Trump that he could be sent to jail for future violations. Elon Musk's legal battle with the Australian government. Elon Musk's social platform X, formerly known as Twitter, has won legal victory in Australia on Monday after the Australian E-Safety Commissioner, Julia Grant, had issued X informal notices to remove the video of the alleged stabbing of Bishop Maria at an Assyrian church in Sydney. The Commissioner cited the material to be Class 1 under Australian classification laws. The temporary ban ordered on April 22nd was opposed by X, who blocked the footage in Australia but did not block the video globally. The E-Safety Commissioner, however, did not believe X to fully comply with the order. He claimed that a global court order was necessary. However, Musk argued that removing the videos globally would constitute clear violations of freedom of speech laws. On Monday, the federal court ruled that the temporary block on footage posted to X would not be extended. The decision to overturn the ban was seen as a free speech win, though the final hearing is set to finalize the matter in the next few weeks. That wraps up today's segment on international legal updates and immigration changes. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on legal developments. Thank you for watching.